Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see the best AI to summarize PDF. Here I am heading over to my Chrome browser and I'm searching for um small PDF or this is called smallpdf.com. You have to head over there and here you will find the best AI PDF summarizer. So you have to choose files, tap on choose files. Now it will allow you an option in here. Now I'm heading over to the desktop. Now choosing this PDF and currently it is analyzing with AI. And once it is done, as you can see, it have made a summary of this PDF. So yeah, this is how easily you can just summarize your PDF with AI. Hope this video helped you out and we'll see you in the next video.